Personalized attention will be given to each and every student. The maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule and also handle custom requirements. A key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all these practice tests are subjective as well as objective in nature. So students, those are new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank sir, and today I'm here with a new chapter, basic constructions. Okay, so the carry forward part you will be learning in 8th, 9th, 10th standard. Okay, so this is the basics of construction. Yes, so today's objective, what are we going to learn today? Okay, construction of an angle of an unknown measure. How to construct an angle which we don't know how much angle it is, how much degrees it is. Construction of an angular bisector. Construction of an angles of specific measures such as 30, 60, 90, 120, etc. Okay, so students, those who are seeing the stream, okay, so I would request you to grab a book which you already be having, I guess. Also, along with that, grab a compass with a sharpened pencil aligned exactly straight. Okay, with some scale, okay, with some protractor if required. So grab this all things, okay? Soon we will start construction chapter. Yes. So Ishani, good morning. Others also, good morning, guys. Okay. So have you wondered how pyramid is made so perfectly? Yes. Or maybe a Rubik cube. See, the edges are so straight. Okay. कैसे बनाते हैं ये? How it is made? Or a window with a parallel opposite side. Sir, हमारे घर की विंडो ऐसी नहीं है सर. एक ही खुलता है, एक नहीं खुलता है. एट अ टाइम एक ही खोल सकते हैं सर, दो दो नहीं खोल सकते, अटक जाता है समथिंग. Okay, that's because of the weather, because of the rain and all, huh? Other factors. Yes, all the shapes are made using basic tools. They are known as geometrical instruments. Okay, so what are the geometrical instruments which we can see? Yes, this one is the ruler or scale. Okay, so a question hai, I will ask you, like, who is the king in the geometrical box? Okay, out of all the instruments, which one is the king? King किसे कहते हैं? Okay, the answer is ruler. Okay, this one, this object, because it is called as ruler. Rule कौन करता है? King करते हैं. Ruler. Yes. So this one is called as ruler or scale. Okay, a divider. Okay, compass, pencil, set square. Okay, protractor. सर ये सोल्जर है, प्रोटेक्ट करता है मैं, प्रोटेक्टर. ओके, all the shapes are made of basic tools. Now can you draw some shapes of figures using this basic tools? Okay, before drawing some shapes, remember some basic things in your mind. Okay, things to keep in mind. Have two pencils. एक से भी काम चल जाएगा guys, don't worry. Maintain instrument with sharp tips and fine edge. This is required. Sir हमें बार बार I've seen students using a blunt pencil and drawing. Okay, drawing construction should be made up of thin lines. Okay, sir thin lines के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? Use a clutch pencil. Or students say it as pen pencil. Pen pencil nahi, clutch pencil. You clutch, the lid comes, clutch pencil. Okay, draw thin lines and mark lightly. I've seen students. Okay, so क्या करते हैं? लाइन ड्रॉ करना है तो ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं, एक दो बार करते हैं. मत करो. Okay, just a firm line. That's all. ऐसा चाहिए बस. Just a firm line, single draw. Okay, yes. Let's move to the topic construction of an angles of unknown figure. Okay, so I will be requiring pointer today. So construction of an angle of unknown value. Okay, we don't know how much this angle is, maybe 30 degrees, 31 degrees, 31 point half degree, पता नहीं है. हमें exactly और एक angle draw करना है, copy paste करना है, कैसे करना है? How to do this, Ishani? Do you have any idea? Okay, so how to draw the seer? Construction of an unknown figure. Let's create the copy of this angle using ruler and compass. Okay, ruler means scale and compass is the one which rotates. You can draw circle. Okay, so first thing first, draw a line and choose to mark any point A on it. Okay, so एक line draw करो. Okay, so what is a line? Geometry this which can be extended in both the directions. Okay, so this represents it can be extended in both the directions. Now take any point on this line A. ले लिया, easy है. First draw the straight line like this and mark a point A. Draw a line, mark a point A on this figure. Okay, सीधा line बनाओ, टेढ़ा मत बनाओ. First step, as easy as it is. Second step, okay, now, okay, use the same compass, setting the draw an arc as A as a center and cutting L and B. Okay, क्या करना है? एक arc निकालना, arc draw करना है. Draw this arc, okay. So, ऐसा draw this arc with A as a center and cutting the line L and B, draw an arc. ओके, आर्क ऐसा बड़ा आर्क ड्रॉ किया, फिर क्या करना है? ओके, जो पहले वाला एंगल था, द वन विच यू हैड अर्लियर, यू वी डब्ल्यू. ओके, नाउ कीप द कंपास विथ दिस एज अ सेंटर एंड दिस एज द रेडियस. मेजर्ड डिस्टेंस, ये जो डिस्टेंस है फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, ये हमें चाहिए. ओके, जो कंपास ऐसे ही उठा के, ओके, विद द सेम डिस्टेंस, okay, with B as a center and you make a cross, you make an arc. Okay, let it cut this arc at point C. I've got like this now, C point. Okay, from A you join this, draw a line passing through C, or join AC. This will give you angle A which is similar to angle V. Okay, तो हमने क्या किया? जो पहला था ये वाला कॉपी कर दिया exactly. Okay, and we made this. What are the steps? Very easy. Measure, okay, draw a line, take a point A, then with any radius, हाँ, जितना चाहिए उतना रेडियस से वो आर्क ड्रॉ करो. वही सेम रेडियस से पिछला वाला डायग्राम पे आओ. ओके, एंड वही आर्क बनाओ. जहां पे भी वो यू में कट करेगा, measure this distance and draw the arc again. You get angle A, which is angle equal to angle V. Yes, bisector of an angle. Bisector of an angle is the line segment which divides the angle into equal parts. So bisector of an angle. What is the meaning of bisect? Bi means two. Okay, bisect, divide it in two parts. Okay, so TOU is an angle. We need to draw a line OQ such that this angle TOQ is equal to QOU. This angle should be equal to this angle. कैसे करना है? How to draw it? Okay, let me show you how. This angle should be exactly equal to this angle. You need to draw a line like this. कैसे करना है? How to draw this? Pay attention over here. Okay. Now, construction of a bisector using ruler and compass. Let us take an unknown value UVW. Now, draw any angle of unknown value. We don't know the value. Draw VW, draw VU, any angle. Okay, now we need to draw a line, a perpendicular bisector. Okay, such that this angle is equal to this angle. कैसे sir? Exactly कैसे draw करें? Very easy. देखो यहाँ पे. First, okay, with V as a center and with any distance, using your compass, place the tip of the compass here and a pencil should be here. Okay, draw an arc. Okay, Understood? With A as a center, you need to draw an arc. Okay, you'll get an arc like this. Now, with the same radius, okay, with this as a center now, draw an arc here. With same radius, this as a center, draw an arc. Now, wherever it will cut, okay, so there you need to draw a line passing through this point. This is how you draw a perpendicular bisector. Understood, guys? Now see here, let's learn this again with some illustrations. Okay, now with V as a center, draw a arc, okay, of any length. Okay, now W as a center, with this point as a center, draw an arc like this. With this as a center, draw an arc like this, is that they both intersect at A. Now draw a line, okay, passing through V and A. Join them. This is what you get. This is how we draw an angular bisector. Angular bisector मतलब क्या sir? अभी angle AVU. This angle will be equal to angle AVW will be equal to this angle. This angle, this angle are same. Yes. Now, construction angle of specific measures. Constructing a 60-degree angle. Very easy. सर हम लोग प्रोटेक्टर रख के 60 मार्क करके ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Yes, you can draw it. Okay. So see the marking 60. Join this line. Sir, हो गया हमारा angle 60. Yes. But without using the protector. Can you draw only using scale and compass? Sir, कैसे draw करना है सिखाओ हमें. Okay guys, see here. First draw any line L. Okay, draw any line L. ये हमने line draw कर दिया है. Now mark a point A on the line L. Yes. Now the second point with A as a center and any radius, draw an arc like this. ठीक है, थोड़ा बड़ा करना है. इन लोग ने छोटा ड्रॉ किया है, बड़ा आर्क करना है सच दैट इट कट्स द लाइन एल एट बी. देखो यहाँ पे बी पे कट हो गया है, ऐसा आर्क बनाना है. बना दिया विथ ए एज अ सेंटर. ओके, यहाँ पे कंपास रखना है, यहाँ पे पेंसिल है. ओके, ड्रॉ एन आर्क. यस. नाउ विद द सेम रेडियस, ओके, जो भी ए बी रेडियस का तुम लोग ने आर्क बनाया है विद द सेम रेडियस, now place the tip of the compass at B and mark an arc like this. okay, so जहां पे भी कट होता है पॉइंट, ओके, तो this is join that AC. okay, you get angle CAB equal to 60 degrees. yes. Okay, now what will you do to construct 30 degrees? सर 30 कैसे करते हैं? ओके, 60 तो मैंने सिखा दिया. ओके, क्यों सर ये 60 क्यों आया? यू मे आस्क मी दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, स्टूडेंट्स डोंट आस्क क्वेश्चन, दे जस्ट लर्न, दे डोंट आस्क टीचर्स. सर 60 कैसे आया? ओके, देखो गाइस यहाँ पे. नाउ I've drawn a line. okay, I've marked a point A. okay, with some radius you draw an complete arc like this. Let this cut at B. Now with the same radius, with B as a center, if you draw an arc, you'll get the arc here. From this as a center, again you draw an arc, you will get an arc here. From this as a center, if you draw an arc again, you will get an arc here which cuts exactly, okay, at this line. ऐसे कैसे sir? हो गया भाई. Okay, now the thing to be noted is we have made equal divisions. Okay, if you check, all the angles are equal divisions. Now total is 180 degrees. We have made 3 equal parts, so 180 by 3 you get 60 degrees. Each angle is equal to 60 degrees. yes. okay, now how to draw 30 degree? okay, 60 degree, you know how to draw it. Now bisect this. Bisect कैसे करना है? With this as a center, okay, draw an arc. With this as a center, draw an arc. Join this line, you get a 30 degree angle. yes. I hope you have understood this. Okay. The two most powerful tools of geometry which help to advance subject with help in construction various length, angle, geometry with compass and straight edges. Okay. Yes. Now construction of an angles of specific measure, constructing a 90-degree angle. Sir 90-degree angle क्या sir? बहुत ही easy है. Draw a line, draw a vertical line. हो गया sir 90 degree. But sometimes it may be 89 degree also, sometimes 91 degree also, sometimes 90.0001 degree also. So how to draw exact straight line, exact 90 degrees? Okay. So draw a line L, mark any point G on it. G as a center now. Okay. G as a center, draw an arc of any length, any length. Okay. Now with U as a center. Yes. Okay, or you can take any length, okay, with T and U as the centers and any radius other than TG. Okay, more than TG, other than नहीं, more than, okay, more than TG. Okay. If you draw less, ये दो आर्क ऐसे हो जाएंगे, okay. तो बड़ा आर्क के लिए more than half of this लेना है length. Draw an arc like this. Place the compass at T. Draw an arc like this. Okay. When it is at U, you get an arc like this. When it is T, you get an arc like this. Now, G जो center से तुम लोग ने draw किया था, join this. You get a, and measure this, you get a 90-degree angle. Yes. Okay. Construction of an angles of specific measures. Okay, this is a 90-degree angle. This is how you draw. Ishani, hope you have understood how to draw a 90. और एक करने का तरीका है. Okay, so the whatever the radius you have drawn, this arc. Now place the same radius. Place the pointer at you. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Now, place the compass here. Draw an arc. Place the compass here. Draw an arc and join. You will also get 90-degree angles. Okay. Yes. Construction of 120 angle. 120 angle, I've already told you. Entire is 120, 180. Okay. First part is 60, second part is 20. Draw a line. Now take any point A with A as a center. Draw an arc. With the same radius, place the pointer here and draw an arc here. With this as a center now, draw an arc here. Okay, now this is 60, this is also 60, 60 plus 60 is 120, join this, you got 120 degrees, let this be C. Angle CAB is 120 degrees. I hope you have understood this. Yes. Okay, quiz time, let's see. Let's play some quiz. Okay. How do you draw a 90 angle? Bisecting a 60 angle will give us 30. Drawing multiples 45 angle वो हमें अभी नहीं सीखा है. Okay, 45 निकालने के लिए 90 चाहिए. Okay, by drawing a perpendicular to line. Okay, so bisecting an angle 120 you get 60. Okay, so I think so this is the answer. Yes, right. Drawing a perpendicular line to the point lying on it. An angle 15 can be drawn using pair of compasses and a ruler. How it is done? Okay, bisecting 60 angles and 180 angles, bisecting 60 and then bisecting it again. Bisecting 60 will give us 30, bisecting 30 again will give us 15. So this is the right answer. At 7 a.m., the angle between sun rays and the ground is 43 degrees. What would be the angle at 10 a.m.? अरे बाप रे, क्या है ये क्वेश्चन? At 7 a.m., the angle between sun rays and the ground is 43 degrees. Okay. So angle between sun rays, 7 a.m., 7 a.m. Okay. Let's think. I am not sure. This is our Earth. हाँ, सूरज अभी उगा है. So angle is 43 degrees. Okay. 10 p.m. सूरज ऊपर जाएगा. Okay. So what would be angle? So 90 degree between 43 and 90, greater than 90. I think this. Let me go for this. Okay. ये ऐसा genuine question नहीं है. गलत हो गया तो भी टेंशन नहीं लेना है. Okay. What a logic. कुछ logic काम कर गया यहाँ पे. 43 and 90. Yes. How many acres are required to construct? How many arcs? Sorry. How many arcs are required to be drawn to construct an angle 60 degree? Okay, 60 degree draw करने के लिए कितने arc चाहिए? पहले तो एक line चाहिए, which is not an arc. Then draw one arc हो गया. Place this, draw an arc. So two arcs are required to draw an angle 60 degrees. Yes. हो गया. So we have answered all 4 questions. Now let us draw 135 degrees. Sir, 135 कैसे निकालते हैं? Okay, so देखो यहाँ पे first draw 90 degree angle. You know how to draw a 90 degree angle. Draw a line, draw an arc, draw 2 arcs with this as a point, this as a center. Join this and center. You got a 90 degree angle. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of this side 90 degree angle. So draw an arc with this as a center, draw an arc. So this is exactly 45. 45. This is exactly 90. 90 plus 45 is 135 degrees. So this angle is 135 degrees. This is how you draw, okay, the required angle. So construction of an angle 75. Okay, so hint दे दिए है 60 plus 90 by 2. Okay guys, now 90 plus 60 is 150. 150 का half है 75. Okay, so draw a 90 degree angle. I'll show you. Choose a center, draw an arc, draw 2 arcs, join them, get a 90 degree angle. Now hint दिया है 90 plus 60. With the same radius and this point you draw an arc. So this will be 60 degrees, this will be 90 degrees. 60 plus 90 is 150. Now bisect this angle, चलो color change करते हैं. Bisect this entire angle. कैसे करना है bisect? Okay, so draw an arc, but this has a center. जो भी ये arc radius draw किए हो, with this has a center, draw an arc. With this as a center, draw an arc. Wherever the 2 arc meets, join them to get 90 plus 60 by 2, which is 75 degrees. Okay, yes. Construct an angle of 90 degrees and divide it in 4 equal parts. ये तो बहुत ही easy है. Draw करो. Ishani, try this. Try drawing this. Okay. Draw a straight line. ओके, ड्रॉ कर. देखो शशांक सर अभी थोड़ा तिगड़म करके इलुस्ट्रेट करके दिखाएंगे. यस, ओके, now I've drawn an arc. Okay, now with this as a center, with radius more than half of this, let's take this distance. इससे half से ज्यादा लेना है, कितना भी ले सकते हो, exceed भी कर सकते हो, चलेगा. Even you can exceed it. Okay, this distance also. Okay, ज्यादा लेना है. Draw 2 arcs and join them, this point to the arc. Okay, now this is 90 degrees. Now bisect the 90 degrees. How to bisect the 90 degree? With this as a center. Okay, draw an arc. With this as a center, draw an arc. Now join this. We have bisected it. Bisect बोले तो 45 हो गया है. Now what they have said, now bisect this in 4 equal parts. We have only made 2 equal parts. Okay, so how to make 4 equal parts? Again bisect this small angle. ये जो छोटा एंगल है, द ग्रीन वन, bisect this again. Okay, now place the compass here, draw an arc, place the compass here, draw an arc, join them, you get 45 by 2. 45 by 2 कितना है? 22.5. Same thing for this also. Join them, you get half of 45. So we have divided 90 in 4 equal parts. 22.5, 22.5, 22.5, 22.5. कैसे sir? You can keep the protractor, measure it, and you will come to know you have divided in right parts. Yes? Okay. So, challenge of the day, you have a pound of cotton. Okay, pound is like in our Indian system, the unit of measuring weight is kg. So 1 kg cotton and 1 kg iron, which will weigh more? Okay, कॉटन दिखने में यू विल इमेजिन, योर ब्रेन विल इमेजिन छोटा, क्योंकि इतना भर भर के 1 किलो कॉटन नहीं देखा है ना. ओके, तो कॉटन मीन्स लाइट वेट, वही फीलिंग आता है. तो यू विल से सर आयरन, लोहा बहुत वजन है. Okay, so it all matters in density. Density of cotton thoda is less than iron. तो वो तुमको mind will tell it is less, but 1 kg 1 kg दोनों 1 1 है, equal है भाई. Yes, so it is like Shashank sir and say Sandeep sir. Shashank sir weight is 60 kg. Sandeep sir weight is also 60 kg. Actually 65 कर देते हैं. Okay, yes, this is our actual weight. So who is having more weight? दोनों equal है. You have not seen Sandeep sir, पता है, but दोनों equal है. Okay, तो यहाँ पे what you will make assumption, ये cotton light है तो वो वजन कम है, iron बहुत भारी है, ये ज्यादा है. Okay, so you will say iron weighs more, but in actual 1 kg 1 kg both of them are equal weight, guys. Okay, so what did we learn today? क्या सीखे हम आज? Okay, so construction of an angle of an unknown measure, construction of an angle bisector, construction of angle of specific measures 30, 60, 90 and 120. So all these things we learned today. Okay, in the next class we'll learn the next part of it, maybe construction of triangles, something similar. So that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. If you have not subscribed, हाँ 2 बार नहीं दबाना है सर, मैंने सब्सक्राइब किया, आज भी सब्सक्राइब करते, अनसब्सक्राइब हो जाएगा वो, तो सब्सक्राइब जिसने किया है, थैंक यू फॉर दैट. ओके, डोंट प्रेस सब्सक्राइब अगेन, नहीं तो चला जाएगा. Yes, guys, that's all for today then. Bye bye. Have a nice